Welcome to my channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to install a new theme in Cura 4.11 and how to settle the issue related to the display of the icons. Here is my Cura 4.11 and this is my Cura 4.10, and this is the green theme I want to install in my Cura 4.11. First of all, I open the installation folders for Cura 4.10 and Cura 4.11. Now I browse the installation folder for Cura 4.10. I go to resources, then to themes, and here I have the list of all the themes that are available in my Cura 4.10. And this is the folder of the theme I want to install on Cura 4.11, that is Neige Green. Now I select the folder and I select copy. Now I go to the installation folder for Cura 4.11. I go to resources, then themes, and here I have the list of all the themes that are available in Cura 4.11, and that's where I'm going to paste the folder of the green theme. Here it is, the folder of the green theme. Now I close Cura 4.11 and I open it again. I open Cura 4.11. There it is. Now I go to Preferences, Configuration Cura, and I click on the list of themes, and I have my list of themes, my Neige Green here. I click it, I close, then I close Cura 4.11 and I open it again to activate the theme. There it is, my Cura 4.11 with the green theme, but as you can notice, the icons do not display correctly. There is a little problem with the icons, they do not show correctly, and I'm going to show you how to settle this issue. So first thing, close Cura 4.11. Now I open the folder containing the themes in Cura 4.11. Here I have the customized themes and the original themes. Now I look in the original themes, any folder that contains the icons. For example, Cura Light, I have the folder icons here. I open this folder, I open the folder default, I select all the icons and I click copy. Then I go to my customized theme here, Neige Green. I open the folder, I go to the folder icons and I paste the icons I copied previously. Okay, all my icons are copied. Now I open again Cura 4.11 and there it is. Now my icons are displayed correctly, they appear correctly here. So that's very simple, just copy the icons from the original themes of Cura into your customized themes folder and you're good to go. So thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for further videos. Thank you very much.